Zypto, a cryptocurrency app and payment gateway, is working to become one of the first third-party wallet providers for a complete experience for the PiNetwork community. The app aims to enable seamless transactions and decentralized finance DeFi features, enhancing the practical use of Pi coins within the ecosystem. Zypto, a cryptocurrency wallet and payment gateway, is preparing to integrate with the PiNetwork blockchain, aiming to become a leading third-party wallet provider for the Pi community. This integration is expected to coincide with PiNetwork's transition to its open mainnet phase in early 2025. Once launched, Zypto will enable users, known as pioneers, to send and receive Pi coins and purchase goods and services directly through the app, enhancing the practical use of Pi coins within the ecosystem. Detailed information about Zypto's features and security measures is forthcoming, with the company planning to share further updates soon. The company has outlined an ambitious product roadmap that includes full integration with the PiNetwork blockchain. Zypto has already submitted the required materials for this integration and is preparing for its official announcement. Once the PiNetwork transitions to its open mainnet phase, expected in early 2025, Zypto will function as a wallet and payment solution. Users, known as pioneers, will be able to send and receive Pi coins, as well as purchase goods and services directly through the app, expanding the cryptocurrency's real-world applications. While Zypto's roadmap demonstrates exciting potential, detailed information about its features, security measures, and full compatibility with the PiNetwork is still forthcoming. The company plans to share further updates soon, marking a significant step forward for the Pi ecosystem and its users. For users interested in creating a Pi wallet, the PiNetwork provides an official method through the Pi Browser app. By downloading the Pi Browser app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store and logging into your account, you can generate a wallet by selecting wallet.pi in the Pi directory and following the prompts. Zypto's integration with PiNetwork represents a significant step forward for the Pi ecosystem, offering users additional options for managing and utilizing their Pi coins. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.